All right, so I had to move that out the way. And let me show you. There it is. So that's how I changed it. I had to go under the car from here and reach from here. This one, the ZX2 has this kind of beam across. 2003 model Ford Escort ZX2. And I go all the way up there, grab it and turn it on. And untwist it and put the new one in. So there it is right there. So that's it from under the car, from this angle. So that's how I did it. All right, hope this helps. All right, finally done. Everything to this vehicle. Gave it an oil change. I did the brakes. I needed brakes to be done. One more click. Right there. And there are the brakes. I just did the front brakes. The rotors, I sanded down. I took a block of wood, a piece of wood and some sandpaper, and sand down the rotors. And I did it on this side. This is the side I did it on because this side turns. This is the turning side. The wheel turns, yeah. So that way I did I did this one here first, and then I turned it around the other way, sanded down, and then I took it off and took the one from the driver's side, put it on here, and did the same thing. Sanded down with the block of wood because this wheel turns when you put it in drive. And then once you stop, you put it in neutral. And that's it. Once you put it in neutral, then you turn it off. Once you turn the car off, wait a while, and then put it in park. So, and I bled the brakes. My daughter helped me. She was in the car pumping, and I told her to pump, and she helped me bleed the brakes, and it's perfect now. This tire here, before, when you step on the brakes, it wouldn't lock, it wouldn't stop. Now it does. And she got good brake feel, so yeah, she needed that. So I got her that done. Gave it oil change. 2003 Ford Escort ZX2. So yep, nice little car. Get her back and forth with no problem. We'll bring it down again. Excellent. That scissor lift does help big time. So to show you what it was, these screws right here, and there's another one down there, third one. They weren't tight enough. Once I tightened it up, it stopped the leaking. So that was it. So the reservoir is topped off. This is topped off. Oil change, clean oil. So she's good to go for another 3,000 miles. All right. Cute little spoiler. Clean up all in there too. And she has some rust spots up here. Clean it all up. Nice and clean. And that's it. So I'll give you a shot from the outside. Gotta clean that up now. Clean that up and that's it. See you on the next one.